Hi, Eric here from Vicious Cycle. Today we're going to take a quick look at the windshield options available for the Kawasaki KLR650. We get asked the question all the time, what's the best windshield for my bike? There isn't one set answer. No two riders are exactly the same. One rides more on-road, one rides more off-road, one's taller, one's shorter. Everyone's looking for a different solution for a windshield. We're going to take a look at the popular ones, what are the pros, what are the cons, and what they look like on this KLR650. Let's take a quick look at these screens. So this is the zero gravity double bubble windshield. While not much taller than the stock, it is approximately 2 inches taller overall than the stock windshield. The reason why it's called double bubble is the main portion of the windshield here is shaped just like the stock one. They've added this extra bubbling here. Let me show you up closer. What this has done is change the aerodynamics on the front of the KLR. Instead of the wind having to so much go over top of the windshield, what allows it to do is allows it to split the air down each side. So this windshield offers great wind protection without being overly tall or offensive to most riders. You can still see over it fairly well, but at the same time too, offers reasonable highway protection. Let's go take a look at the next windscreen. So this is the MRA VarioTouring screen. It's a made in Germany windshield, great quality, and it's almost exactly the same as the stock windshield. It's available in both clear and smoke tint, so you can add a little extra flair to your bike. However, what it does offer is this great adjustable wing here up at the front. You can adjust that wing up and it helps divert and split some of that airflow up and over top of you without having the disruption in airflow that a very tall windshield has. So it's great, you don't have to end up looking through it. If you're riding around town, you have lots of airflow into your helmet. If it's, say, 28 degrees Celsius and you're riding around at 60 kilometers an hour, you're on the highway, you can raise that lip up, and that does keep a lot of that direct wind blast off of your helmet and can disrupt that airflow. This is a great option for your KLR as well. So this windscreen is the Kappa, 100% the same product as the Givi windshield. It is significantly taller than the stock screen. See here, I lay the stock screen on top. That to me looks like it's about 15 centimeters taller. It offers lots of protection. It also has a nice curve. So it goes up to here about the height as the stock one and then really tapers up. It also offers this great rubber protection around here. This is an ideal windshield for most highway travelers, although we do have the odd complaint about some people complaining about turbulence. It tends to keep a bit of a negative pressure zone behind it. However, at most highway speeds, this seems to be an excellent windshield option for you. Not very good off-road because it's very high and you may end up looking into it if you're shorter in stature. Now, one thing we do have to mention on the Kappa and Givi windshields is Givi and Kappa both recommend you install this extra bracket. It's a full metal bracket, comes with all the hardware. This kit is also available on its own. So if you buy another windshield here and you believe that your front fairing needs a little extra support, this kit is available separately as well. And what ends up happening is the front of the KLR, the fairing is very flimsy, not very strong. So you put a very tall windshield on it, we've heard of cracking, and also the windshield will get some vibration and movement in it. So this kit bolts onto the front fairing on your motorcycle. It's fairly simple to install. It does away with the well nuts because it has nuts welded right into the back and offers lots of extra support on that front for your windshield. So what we have here is the Madstad. This is the 18-inch adventure touring screen that's on the top. We have different screens available in different tints. And what this does is it replaces your stock windshield with this entire metal bracket mount. It's fairly thin and lightweight powder coated. And then we have these great brackets here. And this is all flexible and movable. So you can loosen off the nuts, you can adjust for height and angle, you can make it tighter on the bottom, tight on the top, you can adjust tilt. This windshield is infinitely adjustable, both up, down, in and out from the bike. This is the granddaddy of all KLR windshields, and fairly simply you can remove the windshield from it itself if you're doing a trail ride and leave just that metal bracket that's a little taller than your stock windshield was. This is a great option for the do-everything. The only downside to this is the price. It's fairly expensive and fairly complicated to install. So whether it's the short windshield with an adjustable lip at the top, whether it's a medium height with an extra curve to it, or the really tall highway screen, a Vicious Cycle has a windshield that should suit your needs on the KLR650. Thanks for watching our video.